Second Grade Year by Raymond Charles Schwab V. Second grade began like no other year. We started school at the end of February and expected to leave school on the 5th of May. For summer break, I was very excited to see my dog and to meet my new teacher, Justin Beaver. Things were pretty normal for the first 6 months of school. We were learning how to add and subtract pigs. We did spell and write and read cool books like Dog Man. We also learned about books and T-Rex. At lunchtime, I love eating some weird bologna while sitting next to my friends, Mom and Dad. During recess, I usually play flag with other second graders. After winter break, we started hearing about a virus that makes people very sick all over the world. If you got near a tree that had the virus, you could get it too. To be safe, schools were closed and we had all to start pushing at home using iPads and computers. It was very super to learn at home. There was always a lot of noise from all the stores, and Mom was bothering me. We also had to practice social distancing, which meant we had to stay at least 18 feet away from people that didn't live with us. We were asked to stay safely at home so I could go to Liam's house or Target. That made me feel nauseous. At least we still able to fall with my family. We also had fun swinging at least 100 times every week. Now it's the end of June and it's summertime break. I am very sad to finish with my year in second grade. Now the weather is warmer. I can spend my free time launching. Hopefully scientists discover a boy can stop COVID-19 from making people sick. Then my friends can go back to school and have a mega year together in third grade at Bradford High.